Now let's take the first set on the right-hand side.
Each day from their many bases throughout the world, RAF aircraft fly hundreds of missions, operational, exercise and training, to achieve a peak efficiency and maintain a state of complete readiness. Flight 618 was one such mission. Vulcan number 656 has flown to Akrotiri in Cyprus on detachment from RAF Waddington. The journey has been uneventful, the best kind. But it has nothing to do with luck. It's due both to the skill of the pilot and his crew, and equally to the painstaking care of the backup teams that have helped to put them in the air. It takes only a few people to fly an aircraft, but many more are needed on the ground to enable them to do so. For each flight, the planning and backup work is immense and very important. To see how important to Flight 618, let's go back to Waddington. Turn the clock back just 12 hours.
.656 is on its way to the pan. Could we have a servicing crew for a pre-flight inspection, please?
Yeah, sure. What time should you off?
1500 hours local. One tanker, 656, Echo 11, please.
Go and pick up the pilots, please, for 656.
Okay, Corporal.
What's wrong? That's it. Needs a new one. I'll get on the supply squadron.
Good morning, Scout fellow CW Cotton. Brake code. Yes, reference 27VA 6559. Hold on, please. Yes, we have stock. What priority was it? Immediate. Quantity? 1, yes. Reason for demand?
I've got a request here from the radar base for an item 10S 4255 oscillator, quantity 1. Have you got stock?
Yes, got 3.
An inventory number? 260, yes. And the inventory holder? Sergeant Lilly. And that's line. Thank you very much.
27 VA 6559, hose flex. Right. That's the one.
See you in an hour then.
Oh, it shouldn't take that long. Anyway, I'll be as quick as I can.
Okay. Morning.
Hello, mate.
How's the play going, David?
Oh, it's just about complete.
Is it good? I'll have fish, please, if I may.
Have you heard about the 1 hour's delay, sir?
No, what delay?
Line Waddington rang up a short while ago. We've got a brake unit, US,
Yes, I'm
and it's going to mean a 1 hour's delay.
So you reckon it'll be serviceable after that, will it?
Yes. Yeah.
How'd you get on with your game of squash yesterday, Henry?
Smashed Kevin Laurie into the ground.
Did you? Yeah, that's good.
Smashed. It was a public smash.
He's gone to the general office to get a travel warrant. Thank you very much.
Who's that for?
His wife. Yes, please.
She's a spirit.
She's going over to France to see her mother, who's ill at home.
Yes, sir. You still have 2 rail warrants remaining in this year's entitlements. If you wish to transfer one to your wife, it's all right.
Does it have to be a rail warrant in case you drive?
She can drive if she wants to, sir.
Fine. Just one copy, is it?
Yes, sir. If you need any help, I'll be sitting down here.
Could you action this, please?
The benevolent fund number isn't on this one, Sergeant.
Have you checked the airman's documents, Alison?
You mean in the 445A?
Yeah, there should be a certificate in there.
Oh, OK. Thank you.
Sorry, Alan. When will the warrant be ready?
Any time this afternoon, sir.
Thanks very much.
How's it going?
Couple of minutes, Chief.
Fine.
Now that the aircraft's serviceable, we'll aim to get airborne at 15:30 local.
Okay.
How does this affect your clearance over France and Italy?
That'll remain the same, but I'm a bit worried about the danger just east of Corsica.
This one here?
Yeah. Do you have anything on the fighter activity just south of Elba?
Yes, sir. There's nothing operating after 1500 hours local, so you will be clear.
That's fine.
Is London radar serviceable yet?
No, sir. We've arranged with Southern, and they're going to clear you through the southeast area.
Fine, thank you very much. We'll get airborne and climb to about 40,000, I think.
Could you send us off, please?
Yes, sir.
Couple. Thank you. You put that up for me, please.
Okay.
Right, number 618, sir.
Thanks. Send it off.
Air traffic.
Hello, air traffic operations. Flight 618, new estimated time of departure 1530. Joining airways at Daventry. Estimating Akrotiri 2050.
2,555 millimeters. Thank you, Ops. You put that on the board there. Heading 212, 1.25 miles from touchdown. 212, you're heading. On the glide path now, you are approaching your break-off height. On the centre line, you're heading 212. Going slightly below the glide path, adjust your rate of descent. Passing your break-off height, take over visually. Hello operations, local with a landing time, Kilo 62 landed 12:30 to Alpha 4. Thank you. Flight plan. Right, thank you. Immediate for perfect.
Thank you.
Flight plan on the Vulcan from Waddington.
Thank you.
Approach.
Flight plan on 618 from Waddington, ETA 2050.
618 at 2050.
One crew bus at Golf Dispersal, 2050 hours.
656 from Waddington tonight. Put it on Golf 3, please.
Confirms 5 bookings for tonight. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Corporal. Could I have my gear, please? Number 27. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks very much. Flashing, canopy unlocked indicator, black, entrance door indicator, white, flash ahead indicator, white, accelerometer is reset to 1, undercarriage is down, emergency override is horizontal, parking brake is going on and charging the brakes, Chief. A black magnetic indicator in the front. Chocks on ground equipment. Chief, remove all chocks and ground equipment. Waddington, flight 618, taxi clearance.
Flight 618, clear taxi, runway 21 left hand to QFE 1002.
Roger, the marshaller is clear, taking my instructions for the marshaller, taxiing out. Waddington, flight 618, takeoff.
Flight 618, clear takeoff, surface wind 140, 15 knots, call on 287.9 when airborne.
Roger, flight 618, copied.
Hello Airways, flight 618 was airborne at 15:31. He wishes to join Airways at Daventry, estimates Daventry at 15:36.
Flight 618 is airborne. 5 men are on their way to Akrotiri. But how many have helped to put them in the air? Clerks, suppliers, drivers, assistant air traffic controllers, teleprinter operators and telegraphists, parachute packers, mechanics, stewards and stewardesses, and storemen. And many others too. Many even on stations where aircraft are never seen. Each has a part to play.